Founded in 1794, the University of Tennessee is the flagship land-grant institution, serving the state, educating its citizens, enhancing its culture, and making a difference in people's lives through service and research. The Office of Community Engagement and Outreach, housed within the Office of Research Engagement, helps university researchers connect with our community, both local and global, to generate mutually beneficial relationships, promote community voice, and actualize engaged scholarship with authentic and reciprocal partnerships. It's these partnerships that help the university and community alike to thrive.
I think the most important thing that I do in my work is collaboration. I think ORE has really figured out how to collaborate, how to get people together, bringing together disparate voices that quite frankly would never get to know each other.
The UT Project Grad Summer Institute is for students from Fulton and Austin East High Schools here in Knoxville, and the whole premise of the program is to provide those students with additional capital, social capital, cultural capital, about higher education.
Out of 400 installations of homeless management information systems across the United States, Knox HMIS, having an affiliation with the university, is the only one in existence.
We are engaged in this reciprocal relationship with the community, creating for them an empirical window into homelessness in the community.
And because we're affiliated with the university and ORE, we lend credibility to that conversation.
As an architect, I work in the public realm. And so without having the community's input on what's occurring, I'm just an academic. And I'm creating something that may or may not have any resonance with how they are actually using the space or conducting their lives in the area. So I would be ignorant if I didn't reach out and work with the community and the neighborhoods that are around it.
From the University of Tennessee, Dr. Sarah Hilliard.
So recently we've been awarded the ESPN Humanitarian Award named after Stuart Scott, and what an unbelievable privilege it was for us to have the opportunity to showcase what the University of Tennessee is investing in globally. It makes me really proud that UT's invested in innovative solutions to solving complex world issues, and it was because of that that we were recognized for our work in the field.
My goal is that the University of Tennessee become what's called an anchor institution. An anchor institution is one that doesn't move, it's not going anywhere, and gets involved in its community. And by being involved in its community, we become engaged scholars who are involved in civic engagement and in service learning.
Oftentimes when we're doing research, no one's reading it but other scholars. That's not what we want. We want it to be applicable. We want to see it applied, we want to see it used, and we want to see the people that are most affected by what we're researching benefit from it. That would be the students enrolled or participating in the Project Grad Knoxville program.
If it's not relevant, then it's not going to be a success. And so only by this opportunity for the reciprocity, listening to them, for them to also be very willing to hear what we have to say, because we're bringing to the table a certain set of expertise.
For us, it's about finding ways to constantly be using what we're learning from research to apply it directly on behalf of and alongside communities, not just locally in Knoxville, but around the world. And how do we take that and make it more applicable to indeed address these complex social issues that I think at the heart of what every single human should be focused on, no matter what our vocation is, should be to create a better world.
Here at the University of Tennessee, we strive for our research to bring people together in mutually beneficial ways in order to best serve our institutional values as well as the interests of our greater community, while ultimately leaving our world a better place.